Guys, it's me again. Right here we got me and my cousin. We're gonna take these two vacuum cleaners and we're gonna destroy them. It's right here on the left. We got a Dirt Devil feather light. It's a pretty old vacuum. No longer works. And we got right here another older vacuum, the Eureka Powerline. And we got my cousin, also known as YouTuber user Tanner J10, and I'm right here. Now we're gonna go ahead. We got the tools, so we're gonna start off destroying one. Let's say we're gonna destroy this one right here.
Can I get a first whack?
Yeah, you can get the first whack, Tanner.
Woo! One more?
Yeah, you get another one. You could go for it.
Woo!
Broke the thing.
Yeah, there we go. Nice. Your turn?
Yeah, I'm about to do this one. While we're at it, we can hold the camera. Watch this. Open this thing up. Dog on it.
It's okay, dude. Boom, headshot. Okay. Yeah, I have questions about you now. Good job, Duran. Or Duran Medine, as you know.
Finish the second part. Now we're going ahead and destroy this one.
Let's get a crowbar.
Yep.
Take a little. Right here.
Yeah, on the. Woo! Ooh! Oh!
Crunched.
Crushed to pieces.
Wait. I'm chopping it in half. I would step back a little.
Oh!
It broke in half.
Broke the thing in half.
I'm going for the little
motor.
What is that called?
The motor.
It's called nothing. Woo! Okay.
Smash that thing into bits.
Now,
let's continue off destroying the Eureka. Well, I'm about to do a body slam with this thing. Here, hold the camera, Tanner.
Two.
I'm about to take a turn finish off destroying this.
Okay, that failed.
I know. Well, if I had a better way. Come on, break dog on it.
Damn. Hey, at least we could say the power lines are nice and strong.
Yeah.
Damn, they're very strong.
I don't want to break.
It would break if you actually hit it. There goes the light.
Something better? Haha. Meet your maker.
Bitch. Ow, it hit me in the leg.
Say goodbye.
Okay, let me go. You can't take all the fun.
I know.
Let me try my body slam first. That top piece is probably gonna go flying.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, how about this?
Okay.
Oh, what?
There we go, Tanner. Oh, that thing broke in half.
Yes. Okay.
Finally, just death to the bottom.
Okay, now let me take out the motor.
Yeah, let's take out the motor. Motor's no good.
Not gonna have any chance after.
Rest in peace, Eureka vacuum.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Eureka.
Holy. What was that? A big metal piece went flying. Okay, let me take one good whack at this base. Try to get it taken care of. Wait, one more.
You're going bye-bye, Eureka. Just like good old Dirt Devil.
Yeah, good dead Dirt Devil.
Which could be called the Dirt Demon. And I got the hammer. Broke another piece.
Yep.
We're gonna finish off demolishing. I'm about to finish demolishing off with this one.
Hey, can I take a whack at it with my big stick?
Yeah, go ahead and take a whack.
Did a piece go flying up there?
Smash it with my foot. We're trying to have all. We're just getting some fun.
Woohoo! Very good.
Broke the power button.
Wait.
Smashed the half.
Wait. Okay.
We're gonna.
One more.
One more whack.
Okay, this is about to be brutal.
Brutal.
The edge. Damn. Who's up for the little baseball?
That's for the power button.
Who's up for the little baseball?
Haha.
Home run. Bitch.
Let me go finish off destroying the dirt devil. Time to say your nightmare, baby. You no good.
Bring it higher. It'll hit more.
I don't want to hit no one.
I don't care if you hit me. Just don't hit the camera.
I'm not.
That's all I'm saying. Look at him. He's having fun killing things with axes. He might be a killer when he gets older. Just kidding, but kind of scary. Wow, did you
Cut
just
the wheel
cut
off.
the wheel off?
It's going nowhere now.
It really wasn't
That
going
dirt
anywhere.
devil.
Anyway. Oh, hi.
No good. Chop the handle. The handle's probably got some durable plastic on this thing.
Okay, can I go now?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh yeah, let it fall. Okay, got it. Okay, this is about to be awesome, alright?
It's gonna be the good.
Damn. One more?
Yep.
There we go. That's that crack I was looking for.
Yep.
Okay.
And this is gonna be the end, guys.
Alright.
The death to the.
Last.
We got one more.
Here we go. Better make this good, Tanner.
Gonna make it good. It flipped.
Kinda missed, but let me go again. Ow. It's fighting back. Okay.
It's useless.
Well,
This is gonna be the final. We're gonna finish trying to get that thing destroyed.
final piece.
Final piece.
Let's get.
Alrighty, guys. This is the end.
Oh, there goes my phone. Okay.
Alright, that's enough for now, guys. We got it demolished. We're gonna pick up the pieces, and that's it. Thanks for watching.